This is Radio Freedom.
KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya. To the fact that time is eternal. KLF is gonna rock ya. Time is eternal. KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya. KLF is gonna rock ya. Time is eternal.
Ladies and gentlemen, the KLF has now left the building.
What you're told. My word to you is good as gold. We are the people of the light. We're here today and here tonight.
You know, you get all freaked out and you start waving the, I have my rights. I'm an American. I don't care what you are. And I'm a new world order soldier. Okay? And you are under martial law.
Tell 'em money. I just
supply what you need now. Call me Rockefeller, Oppenheimer, Vanderbilt, Carnegie now. What your thugs made, that's just a lazy penny. My family run the drug trade since the 18th century. And we own the penitentiaries too, to penalize you for the narcotics we've been selling to you. Ain't it great how we straight commandeered your state? A FEMA train is coming to your station, don't be late. You'll have your designated bracelet color coded. To your respective zones upon the train you will be loaded. First trip is for the able-bodied workers. And what's the oligarchy if there's no one there to serve us? So sad you're ruled by the few now, but they released the bird flu from the CDC zoo now. We built camps to hold over 3.2 now. 1 million FEMA coffins, what you think we about to do now? Please don't resist us. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Please don't do that. We're gonna take you to your safety. There's been a national emergency. We must quarantine all the civilians infected. Our server in the sky helped us easily detect it. The Pentagon got all your medical records. Thanks to MI6, the people who direct it. I know you think your sovereignty's grand, but there's a Royal Institute right on your property, man. Except they couldn't call it that back in the 20s. Americans were smart, they would've thought something was funny. Now the oligarchy can do what they choose. They own your banks, your education, military, and news. They do drop a few insignificant clues while they focus in on scandals and the latest hairdos. But they know you're not an initiate. They can stick it right in your face, you're not getting it. The symbology should bemoan you. Illuminati corporations worship Satan and they own you. Please don't resist us. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Just do the right thing. We're gonna take you to your safety. There's been a national emergency.
Just not even the other day, we got back from taking people to all the zones, and people can be such babies when we're trying to get them on the train, and they're like screaming and crying, and we really don't want to shoot them because we're trying to run out of bullets. I mean, we have plenty of grenades.
There's got to be a decrease of the population of the earth. Don't you know we weaponize diseases and have this plan for you before your birth? I spit flames to make your clowns run into your dressing rooms to grab your clown guns. Your minuscule tool don't impress, child. I launch neutron bomb time projectiles. Straight lieutenant with the power to order. Release a quarter ton of powder across Colombian borders. Legally we ship the coke to the American snorter. Poor people need some crack to smoke. We hook their brothers and daughters. Please don't resist us. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Don't do that. We're gonna take you to your safety. There's been a national emergency. Please don't ever attempt to resist us, for it's frivolous. We have puppets. Saakashvili, Vladimir Putin, no different from Winston Churchill, Trotsky, Mr. Adolf Hitler himself, Stalin, and yes, President Roosevelt. All puppets. Don't resist. There's nothing you can do, for nothing has changed. Just more puppets.